Select the type tool. The font I'm using is Poppins, the style extra bold, and the size 1200 pixels, the color black. Left click and now type your text. Select the move tool, and now I'm going to center the text horizontally. I'm going to place it here, and now right click, convert to shape, and now left click here, select the direct select, and now just drag over the edge here. So here it is. We have selected the two paths here, and now I'm going to drag the paths here. Hold the shift key while dragging to drag it in a straight line, so here like this. And now I'm going to add the raster mask, so click on this icon, select the gradient tool. The gradient is foreground to background, the shape is linear, and now here I want this side here to be black and this side to be white. So I'm just going to trace my gradient. So now make sure you're selecting the raster mask, go to filter, pixelate, and then select meso tint, and then here change the type to either long strokes or long lines. It's up to you. You can try different here effects. So I'm going to go with long strokes, press OK. And now I want this side here to be black, so make sure you're selecting the raster mask, select the brush tool. So the brush size is 481 and the hardness is 15. And now I'm just going to paint here on this side here of the letter here on the raster mask. Make sure to use the white color as the foreground, and now just paint. And now, for example, if you want to apply the raster mask, you right click, you apply, you can't, because you need to rasterize this layer first. So select the layer, not the raster mask, right click, rasterize, and now select the raster mask, right click, and then apply. And now I'm going to bring an image. So this is the image I'm going to use. I'm going to scale it up, and then right click, and then select clipping mask. And now you can select the move tool. You can move your layer here inside the letter. Make sure you're selecting the image layer. You can also scale it up. Just click on the transform controls, and now here just click on this icon here to confirm.